Alright, here it is, 2012 Chrysler 300 SRT8. Little walk around video to show you some of the mods. 22-inch Nietzsche wheels, air ride suspension, tinted windows. We've got some repairs we need to do to it, so we're gonna point those out and see how long it takes. Take a look at the inside. Pretty good shape, a little dirty. We'll get all that cleaned up. Missing some of the carbon fiber, we'll replace that. Recondition this driver's seat. Fix that armrest. The back's pretty good. Some of the problems, a pretty nasty rock ding there in the pillar. Got a little bit of a dent here in this plastic trim piece. Little bit of a ding inside the door. Not sure what caused that. Other than that, it's pretty straight. No rust. Replace this SRT label with a new one, or the badge. Biggest problem with it, the front bumper. It's been zip tied because it was cracked previous owner. So we'll replace that. Get that looking new again. But here's the new project. 108,000 miles. Black on black. 392. All stock.